Welcome back to the channel. It's been a hot minute, man. But hey, we're off this weekend to go celebrate Cody's 40th birthday party. So my cousin Cody turned 40. You'll know him as Gringo from the Glamis videos. He's got the big green sand car. And we're all loaded down. He wanted to go out and do a moto camp trip, which we haven't done for quite some time. So that's what we're doing. 4 days on the bikes, 3 nights camping off the motorcycles. And we're gonna be heading through Anza-Borrego, Oxio Wells, up to Glamis North. Randall did all the routing for us. Thank you, Randall. We've not done these trails before. He did a little bit of scouting on some of them last Sunday, but it should be a great time. So I never talked about this bike, but believe it or not, a couple of years ago, I sold my 790 KTM to Kyle, my cousin Kyle, and picked up this 890 Rally R Edition. This is only my 3rd time riding it. Pretty bad. Had it for a couple of years now. So that's why it looks so brand new. In fact, I just did the oil break and change this past week. But we've got it loaded down with a Moscow Moto 40-liter pack setup. So I'm trying to eliminate a lot of the stuff I used to take on these moto camp trips to save weight, because it's funny how great these bikes are off-road until you hit sand, and 80 pounds of camping gear really makes things squirrely. So I've condensed big time what I used to carry into a much smaller setup. But we're gonna get loaded up in the morning pretty early. We're gonna hit the road, go down to Temecula, meet the guys, fuel up, grab some breakfast, and hit the trails. Well, hello. Hello. All layered up.
I know.
Feel like a snowman.
Oh, snowman.
Oh, what's happening, dude? Nice Jeepus.
We're getting close.
Oh.
What's up, buddy?
So what's this trail called?
Palomar Divide.
Palomar Divide. And so it's a 25-mile section from here to Julian?
It's 25 miles of dirt, and then we'll get back on the street for, I don't know, maybe 20 miles to Julian.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Randall's on his brand new, this is a 2025?
Yep.
KOVE 800 Rally.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Look at how little it is. He's on a little bike. So he still has his Adventure Rally, but that's going to be going to his other house on the East Coast, and this is the new Adventure rig. Excited to see how he does. First time camping off it. And he's got the Moscow Moto 80-liter setup. And we've got Cody.
What's up,
Happy 40th, buddy.
Thanks, man.
And Cody's got his new iPad. Look at that.
Yeah, dude.
This is a group gift. We all pitched in and got him the tread. Are the trails on it for the trip? No. But it looks really nice up there.
I also disassembled half of the fairings and realized I didn't need to last night just to get it on.
And he's also rocking the Moscow Moto. These are the with the saddlebag frame deal, and this is a big big boy setup.
These are the family bags you can bring.
That's right.
Everything.
His kids are actually in the left bag.
Yeah, we're good.
Brought his kids with him.
We got room in there for the 3 layers of stuff I'm about to take off right now. I'm gonna run through the desert like a crazy person in just boots and long underwear.
beautiful trail, man.
Yeah.
Gorgeous views every direction up here. And I forget the name of that lake over there, but can't see it. It's gorgeous. Yeah, that's that one we turn at. So the highway goes left towards Anza or right towards Julian.
Okay.
But it's a gorgeous lake. There's cows all around it. Lake Titicaca.
Starts with H. We'll get it in a second. Henshaw.
Henshaw,
Lake
babe.
Henshaw.
Lake Henshaw.
Yep.
Obviously that
lake.
obviously
Go up on Palomar Mountain, up on the road, you know.
Yeah.
You look down, great views.
Obviously that was Cody's riding that you guys just watched. So what do we got here? Coolant leak.
I thought it was coolant, maybe it's oil. What is this coming out of here? That's got to be coolant in it.
Yes, it is a coolant line.
I've got a better screwdriver, Cody, if you need to dig it out.
It's pretty tight. I don't know.
I mean, I've got access to Torx and Allen's easier than a screwdriver.
Dude, what?
Well, we made it to Julian.
Yes, we did.
Gonna have some lunch over here, and the radiators seem to seal itself up.
I put bubblegum on it.
Oh, pulling out of Julian. The old Julian Cafe and Bakery was fantastic. Lunch was way too big. And now we're gonna go gas up before hitting the next trail section. Cody likes leaving his right-hand blinker on while he rides.
Now we're about to take the Pinyon Mountain Trail. Don't know exactly how long it is, but it works its way over to Fish Creek Canyon and Sandstone Canyon. So we're gonna ride most of this Pinyon Mountain Trail, then find our camp spot, and then we're gonna be campers tonight.
He's a damn natural, folks. What do you think, birthday boy? That just didn't work out. I brought celebratory mango carts for everybody, and two of them, the two extras, mine included, let loose in my bag. So my sleeping bag and my pillow are soaked in beer. That's gonna be great tonight. At least it smells like mangoes, though.
They're waterproof bags. You should
Last
be able to.
time it was no jacket.
A little rocky and bumpy, he says. That means it's, yeah. It's definitely right along the rock. Not on this rock, not in those rocks, right here, right in the middle. Party foul.
Almost.
That was close. You don't think so? The gas tank? Think so, huh? All right. Yup. Yup. Bump up.
Very uncoordinated right now.
Go for it. Nice.
Nice.
That was good. Oh my goodness. No, it's all right. All right. Just some casual 500-pound bike rock hopping. No big deal. I like how he's like, but look at this, guys. We got a little workaround. No big deal. Just a little exposure. Randall, you're missing a great picture.
Once you're there, you just gotta let it roll.
Oh shit. Oh. Oh god. Most of it. That was exciting. Yeah. This is bad enough over here. I mean, it's not terrible. It's not what you just did, but yours made me a little nervous there when you let go. Wow, look at that from down here. That was good, dude. You made me so nervous. When you passed Randall's bike, I was like, oh god, oh god, oh god.
Yeah, it just started bouncing everywhere.
Oh. Epic.
And then at the bottom, all I see is that giant rock right where
Look at this beautiful spot, soaked in sweat. Last 3 sections were awesome. We just found ourselves a gorgeous, look at this. Is that not the most scenic damn moto camping spot in the whole wide world? We got this huge acatillo tree, cactus, whatever you want to call it. Beautiful soft sand for 3 tents and a fire. And we're gonna start getting set up.
masseuse is on their way.
And the taco guy. Well, beer soaked everything.
No.
Pillow is completely soaked.
Good reminder.
Sleeping bag's fairly soaked. So and have that bitter beer face while I sleep tonight. It's gonna be nice. Try to let that stuff dry out, but check out this camp. I mean, it's just fantastic. It is just beautiful. Everybody's pretty set up. And this is what makes me happy about carrying so little stuff. Chair, tent, sleeping stuff, and that's pretty much the majority of what's stuffed in here, except for some excess clothes and some meal ration packs. But we're gonna all avoid this cholla in the middle of camp tonight. But it's just gorgeous. The weather's perfect. It's got to be 60 degrees right now. 65. Randall was offended from the last camping video where Cody accused him of sleeping right on top of him, so he's put himself way far from everybody.
I literally set up camp like this, and then Randall pulls his bike over there. I'm like, all right, it's reasonable. We're doing our thing, and I look over, and his tent is on top of my tent.
So Randall said, fine. He's got his music over there. He doesn't even hear us right now.
And Randall literally snores like a grizzly bear.
So I, being the amazing cousin that I am, you know, I bring these guys, the weight I carry, 3 individual flasks. He says he's not drinking. He says he's doing dry January. What in the... I don't even know what to tell you guys. So disappointing. We're gonna keep it between ourselves, but I need better friends and family. Somebody want to come moto camp with me? Does that make you happy? So, does that make you feel good? You feel proud?
Yeah,
So good.
So proud.
It's funny no matter what.
Yeah. Blazing saddles. Get the beans out. Lights up.
Beautiful sunrise. Boys just having some breakfast. Everybody slept at least an hour. Be packing up here shortly. Well, good morning, everybody. We are packed up. Breathing a little heavy because I just had to ride out of that sandy wash. Had to do some pushing. But we are hitting the trail today. Headed down out of this desert area into Anza to, I think, do Fish Creek. Randall wants to find Diablo drop-off, so that should be interesting. But yeah, we're gonna end up, I think, camping tonight in Ocotillo Wells. Last night was awesome, so looking forward to another good night of that. Beautiful out here, absolutely gorgeous. Well, let's hit the trail, see what we find. That's deep. That's some deep sand. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Try to find a rut here and stay in it, but a lot of cross ruts make it a little challenging. If it was no ruts at all, just the sand, it's really easy to ride, but it's the tracks that actually make the difficult part of it. It's not that it's sand. I promise you. Damn tracks. Inevitably, we're always riding into the sun, never away from it. This sand does warm you up pretty quick. I should probably turn off traction control. I still have it on. Just, you know, slipping the clutch. But I don't know if it's really helping or hurting right now. Pump. More like triceps, because you're constantly kind of pushing the bars left and right, trying not to fight it too much, but it's hard not to. Crossing that middle is almost guaranteed to cause a problem, but sometimes these big bikes, man, once they get going a direction, you're just a passenger. You're gonna have to just ride through it. Whew. Arm pump. Or shoulders, I don't know. guess that was Diablo drop-off. Now you done did it.
Is that it?
That's it.
Oh shit.
Beautiful camp area. I'm gonna keep it in first because I have no idea what's coming around this corner. Might be nothing, might be something. Oh geez.
Pretty good view.
That is a bitchin' view, wow. Holy smokes. What a view.
Wow.
We just stopped at the Blue Cafe.
Blue Inn Cafe.
Blue Inn Cafe, grabbed some drinks, had some carne asada burritos.
The food is delicious
Outstanding.
compared to
Not eating.
or the tuna beans oatmeal combination that I brought because I ordered all the meals. The one time I actually plan ahead, I order all the meals Garrett has. I can pour the hot water in, let them sit for 10 minutes. I got them all. My wife puts them next to the spot where I throw stuff away. So long story short, I pick them up, throw them away last week. And then yesterday morning, I'm trying to figure out where all my food is, and I realized I threw it away. So I raided the pantry, 2 cans of tuna, 2 cans of beans, and 2 packs of Hawaiian rolls. So every time I get a chance to eat, it's a 10. This is a 5-star restaurant. It's actually really good though.
It is good. Yeah,
it's
that was
really
a good lunch.
Yeah.
What'd you think of your biscuits and gravy?
It's good.
Solid?
Yeah, definitely solid.
All right.
I wouldn't put it up there with Florence, Alabama gravy
Okay.
and biscuits,
So it's
but
probably not coming out solid. wouldn't you?
well, maybe. Yeah. Still remains to be seen.
So we're exploring Ocotillo today.
Yep. Exploring Ocotillo today. We're going kind of through Ocotillo to the northern end, an area called Badlands.
Okay.
We're going to pitch camp there, and then we're going to explore and see what single track we can find.
it's probably inevitably a dead end. Now we'll turn around and ride back out. Whatever it takes, boys. Feels like it's 100 degrees today, but it's only like mid-70s. There's no wind. That's pretty cool. Oh, neato. Hope this goes all the way through because we ain't turning around in here. Oh shit. Awesome. It's hotter than heck, so we opted to keep moving to get some wind through our gear. So that was very cool. There's one downside to Ocotillo Wells is that there's near no shade anywhere. I mean, you can get up against the side of a hill for a little bit before the sun comes around, but like as far as finding a shady place to hang out and relax or make camp, very difficult. Oh, very hot. Well, boys, it's been a day. Not a whole lot worth filming today. We just kind of explored this Badlands Truck Haven area. Very little though, and got ourselves a little secluded camp spot up in a canyon crack. And we just rode down into town to the main highway and hit the gas station and loaded up on firewood. Everybody's carrying 2 bundles back to camp because we left our camp stuff there. And that's the plan, Stan. Got a couple little things at the store. Get back to camp, get everything set up, relax for the evening. It's about 3:40. So we've got about an hour to get our tents and everything set up. All right, boys, we're taking you to our hidden little camp spot Cody picked out for us. So we'd be out of the way of there's a lot of side-by-sides out here. And so this way, nobody runs us over tonight. And kind of hidden, a little safety spot. Not the easiest to get to, but that's the point, right? Oh, that is the point. Well, we got Dr. B to the right. He's got the upper slot.
Yep.
I am mid slot. Cody is bottom slot. Slotting it up.
Dude, someone correct us if we're actually on a trail or not. If you recognize the spot, which I imagine it would be hard to do, but we're not from the area and we don't know for sure because it rained between the last time and now, and so there's no tracks up here. but it feels like it would be a pretty sick single spot track. If we're camped in the middle, tell us.
Yeah, we don't really.
Tomorrow morning when we leave.
We don't really know. All the firewood made it back, which is good. Airing out some dirty laundry. And got my beer right there, made it back from the store. Got some whiskey. So we're gonna, man, look how soaked I am too. Sweaty day. Check out this cool cave though. It's like a pizza oven. Wouldn't get inside of it. This stuff really falls apart quick. But it goes all the way back there. Pops out this side right here next to Cody's tent where the snakes come out and eat them. So we're gonna get a little bit more set up. Pretty much done. Find a place for the fire and relax. It was how many miles we do today, Randall?
About 90, because my relive didn't start right away.
So about 90 miles, most of which 85 or 80-ish off-road. Pretty tiring day. Day 3 tomorrow. Check back with you guys in a little bit. We have a fire going and relax for the evening and get ready for bed. Also wanted to mention this new Garmin InReach 3 Mini 3 Plus. Really, really cool. It allows you to send voice messages, photos, and regular text, and it's got a touch screen. Well worth the upgrade. I still had the original Mini, and it worked, but this one's way better. So highly recommend. That's exactly right.
Might as well start early.
Yep. Try to keep these gnats out of my food.
This is good living, boys.
This is the best. Morning, y'all. We are ditching camp. Took all the gear off, getting the bikes all settled. And we're gonna go do some exploring this morning. And then we're gonna come back up into our little dwelling to collect our gear later and move on to the next camp of the day. But we're gonna explore this area, Truck Haven area, stuff like that. Go see what we can get into. Singular crackish. Get tight. Talk about a Sur-on track, dude. Holy. Yeah. We got a hill climb here, guys. Looks pretty doable for a big bike. I don't know that, I mean, everything's good. That last part's a little bit steep, but momentum, I think Cody would be fine. Big girl for a ride. Nice. Nice. Wow. Oh, tag that rock with my gas tank. That was, I'm glad I lifted my foot. Yeah, it would have definitely been an ankle breaker. That's why I don't like taking those inside lines on the turns. Stick to the outside. Lunchtime. We just got out of that whole trek, Haven, Palm Canyon wash, Palm Wash. Got gas. Now we're getting some lunch, some beers. It's on to the next part of the adventure. Great area, fantastic area. Rate it 9.9 out of 10.
Yes, and then Salvation Mountain. These guys have never been to Salvation Mountain, so we're gonna go unload the bikes and then see if we can find some trails to get us to Salvation Mountain.
Fantastic.
Let's go.
First, carne asada burrito. We just had a fantastic lunch at the Alamo Mexican food breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If you guys are here by this gas station, Chevron, kind of passing through, definitely recommend it. That was our best food so far. A bunch of other riders here today. But we are going to now, with full bellies, slab it over to Glamis North Hot Springs as just an area to get to before we figure out what we're really doing today. So that's the plan, Stan. Let's go. Oh, that's funny. There you go.
Nice. There you go. Oh yeah.
Need a wet wipe?
Yes, please.
Happy Gilmore.
There you go.
Hey,
It's in the hole. Watch this.
it's in the hoe. Hey, you did hit it. All right, well, everybody, it's been an afternoon after the old carne asada burritos. We journeyed around the Salton Sea, up the 111 to Mecca, I think, or through.
That way.
Mecca was behind us. We went to something over here, Bombay Beach, went and hit golf balls, came back. Now we're along this state recreational park camping area. There's 3 campgrounds. We're in the second one. There's one that way and there's one that way, but this just ain't right. It just ain't right. So we are going to quickly jump on the bikes, work about a mile back down the 111 and get on the Bradshaw Trail towards the mountains, which is our route for tomorrow on the way up to the 10 freeway. And we're just going to pitch off over here in BLM land where things will feel right. Well, riding along, bam, flat tire. So that's a bummer because we're looking for camp, but it's 3:45. I got an hour of light left. I'm gonna try to see what the problem is. Don't let a flat ruin your day.
Yeah, bro. Is that what it says on it?
Yeah. Motorcycle, all 8 ounces. Yeah. I feel like it's gonna work, guys. All right, guys, for right now that tire slime seems to have worked. We're just not far from wherever it is we think we're camping tonight anyway, so let me keep rolling and find a place to park. Well, we got somewhere. It's actually a really pretty wash. Just exactly what we need. Just nice soft ground, nobody here, nobody's gonna be coming by. Some green grass from all the rain we've recently had and plenty of firewood around. So unfortunately, that tire slime did not hold. So it was flat by the time we parked. So it looks like we're gonna be changing a tube over coffee in the morning. And then from there, we'll figure it out. But right now, I'm gonna finish getting ready. I'm soaked in salt and sweat and 3 days in the same clothes. I did save a fresh t-shirt. Look at this grass though. Look at that. Frickin' gorgeous. All right, I brought myself a large, tall boy of hard Arizona iced tea. I'm gonna sit down, sip on that, and relax. Got the tunes going. Well, top of the morning to you. Top of the morning, everybody. You can hear my air compressor's going. Tire did go flat immediately yesterday when we got here. So, seeing if we get lucky and that slime that we put in there like congealed overnight, made something good. So if that didn't work, or if it doesn't work, we're gonna have to change this tube this morning. So that's step one, but slept good last night, slept hard, man. I needed that. I haven't been sleeping really good out here. I slept really hard last night. So just enjoyed a morning fire. It is our last day, so we're riding out through this trail that goes up through these mountains to the Scirocco summit side. Doesn't look like a super long trail, maybe altogether 15-20 miles total, maybe around 20. And we'll fuel up on that side and burn the highway home. Been a great 4 days, man. Awesome. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, it's just about flat. Hey Cody, I could use that hand right about now. Okay.
Well, you can push that one on.
Good job. Well done.
Woohoo!
Boys.
That was actually like the least painful tire
Let's-
change so far.
Let's be easy.
Well, we had a successful tire change, tube change. Now we're gonna finish this route.
The best part of the whole weekend.
Beautiful up here. Pretty. Hey, this is a beautiful trail. Beautiful trail. What's it called? Red Rock Jeep Trail? Red Canyon Jeep Trail. Very pretty. Give it a solid 7 out of 10. It'd be an 8 without the wood. awesome trip. Man, what a good time. I don't think there's anything more fun than moto camping. I don't know, there's a few things, but as far as just the overall experience, the riding, the camping, it's kind of mixing everything that you love all together. Fantastic time. We're obviously back home. Bike's all cleaned up. Go over the damage report. Check out the giant bash. I whacked that boulder good going through that wash. I think that was the second day. And I've got a few parts I ran by Rottweiler Performance the other day and picked up a mid-cat or a cat delete mid-pipe so we can get that sound back. I got their power plate for the air box. I've got bar risers. This bike has the third O2 sensor on the cat, so this is their little trick to get that going. I've got a drop-in foam filter to get rid of the stock filter, a new skid plate. I want to say that's an AXO, can't remember the exact name, but you guys know which one I'm talking about, the one Cody's running. Get that put on there, and then I've got a phone mount. And the last thing that's coming is the same GPS mount that Cody bought. So the GPS mount will go up here, and it'll hold my phone up above the screen, and I can get rid of this, which drives me nuts to have it down on the bars. Anyways, so today, getting this video edited and out to you guys. Hopefully later today, I'll get these parts put on. But we'll see how it goes. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this kind of stuff, subscribe to the channel. We had a great time. We're gonna be doing another one pretty soon. See you guys in Glamis here shortly. Bye.